Hi guys, back with another video. Now, I've been sent a new splitter for my car, so I'd like to make a massive thank you to an Aliexpress company called HTTYYX Car Modifications. People that have been subscribed for a long time will know that I already have one of their splitters that I paid for and fitted onto the car. Now, for the success of that video and people coming to me saying, "What's your splitter?" their sales obviously went up, and they reached out for me a little while ago and said, "Do you want to try out our new splitter?" So I'm going to just insert a video now of the splitter on my car that I purchased from them. I think it was about 18 months ago. So yeah, as you can see, it's in good condition still, and there's no cracks, there's no breaks in it. It fits the body lines lovely on that car. Obviously that is for a standard Volkswagen bumper. Now, the company that I got that from, they don't just do Volkswagens, they do Audi, Ford, Nissan. Most of it is splitters, but they do other bits as well, and there are a couple of other bits in this box that they have sent me. So here is the box. Now, all their splitters are 3-piece splitters, so we will get this unboxed and see what we have in it. Obviously, while I'm opening this, if there are any other companies out there that like my style of videos and would like some coverage on my YouTube channel, then you can reach out to me. I'll leave my email address in the link below. I'm just going to finish doing that. I can't do it one-handed. Right, so very nicely packaged. Last time I think it was plastic it was covered in. This time it's a nice like a bag sort of thing. So first up, which I'm going to need a knife for, just one second. Right, so in here, what do we have? Yes, I know what these are. These, I don't think these are actually legal in the UK. These cover your rear reflectors on your bumper, but I don't know if they're legal. I'm going to have to check it out. I am going for my MOT soon, so I might put them on after the MOT. But yeah, good quality. Good quality. No tape to stick them on, but we have got adhesion promoter, 2 of those. Unless there's tape in here. Oh, that looks like a good tape. So that's those. I will be leaving links for all of these parts that are coming out of this box in the description. I'm not going to be putting this on the car today. That will be in another video. This is just an unboxing. Oh, we've got other bags of goodies. I wonder what else they've put in here. We'll get back onto these in a minute. Right, what's in this bag? These bags are very good. Just pop that open. And in this looks like part of the splitter. I think that's the centerpiece of the splitter. Then we have, that's separate, we'll come on to that in a minute. Intrigued as to what these are, because I didn't know about whatever they could be bolts and screws. This one goes with that one. Then this is the rest of the splitter. Yeah, that one. Right, just give me a moment. I'll get these out of the box and lay them out so you can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's not quite as shaped as the last one was around here for going onto the car. And the last one had pre-drilled holes across it. But what I have noticed, if I just drop this out, on this side there are marks for pre-drilling. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll have to drill those out. But what I actually want to do, on my splitter that I've got at the moment, when I take that off, I want to mark where the holes are on that splitter to drill into this one, so that I haven't got loads of holes in the bottom of my front bumper. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And then in these bags, these are sort of quarter length side skirts. Let's get this out. In gloss black. So these would sit up against the rear wheel and come down the side of the car. Again, yeah, there's drill points. So I'm not sure how they're gonna look, but we will give them a go. So yeah, then I guess in here are screws and self-tappers. Let's open them up and have a look. So yeah, it's a selection of screws, not self-tappers. They're shorter ones. So for the main splitter, I will use the self-tappers that I've got. And then for this, I'm not sure how I'm going to fit this onto the car yet, because there'll be a big gap where the what's the word I'm thinking of, where the body molds, there's a big gap, so to come to it, I'd need screws probably about that long to get it into the sill. So we will see. So yeah, we've got these. In fact, let's just take these and these out the front to the car and I'll show you where they're going to sit. Right, so these sit on your reflector to gloss black it out, but we've already got an issue. Yeah, these are too short for my car. I think these are for a standard bumper, not a GT bumper, which my car has, which is a shame because they'd look possibly quite nice. Hey Dan. And these will sit here, but I'm not sure how I will be fitting those, like I say, to the car, because under here I've got a big gap all the way along. It's going to take a bit of tape, I think, and working out angles of where they're going to sit and do them right up against the car. I don't know about those until I'm going to have to get some tape or something to hold them in place to see how they're going to suit the car. Not sure about them. Go up tight, out. It's just going to be difficult to fit. There's not a lot of body there to go into with those. We'll have to look into it. So yeah, when I've got time to put video together, I'll definitely get the splitter on the front and see how that looks. The side skirts, I'm not too sure about. I'm gonna have to work out how they're gonna fit onto the car. And unfortunately, these are a bit of a fail because they're the wrong size for my bumper. But we might do something with them. So I'll leave links for all these in the description below. There will be a video coming in within the next week, hopefully, of fitting them to the car. Definitely the splitter, might do that tomorrow. So yeah, massive thanks to HTTYYX Car Modifications, strange name, but they reached out to me, asked if I wanted to try it out, and I agreed. So I've got to give it a go, see how it looks. Right guys, see you all in the next one when we're fitting this splitter.